What is construction bid management software? Construction bid management software lowers costs, improves efficiency, and enhances estimates with tools to streamline and automate the proposal process. Common features of construction bid management software include a subcontractor portal, where workers can view information about past, present, and upcoming projects. A communication template library allows users to customize emails, bid forms, and other methods of conversation between contractors and suppliers. Contact management enables the tracking of all contacts and communications between organizations, contractors, and suppliers. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.